everyone, my name is Prashant. I'm working as a MuleSoft architect. So I'm coming up with few series of sessions for the latest AI solution from MuleSoft, which is MuleSoft Division. This is gonna be the first part of the series where I'll try to cover all the setups and configurations required to get started with MuleSoft Division. So this is the link, or I would say this is the article for the latest AI solution, which was released on October 1st. So if you are totally new to MuleSoft, then we need to first, we need to install some basic softwares. Like the first one would be the Java, then Maven and Git. So if you want to install the Java, then just follow the steps, go to the website, download the latest version, configure that in your environment variable and path, and verify if it's working using this command in the command prompt. Similarly for Maven, get it installed from the website, configure it, and verify if it's working with this command. And same for the Git as well. So once you are done, just verify it once again for all of these three, like what I'm trying to do now. Okay, Java is installed, then Maven, it's also installed, and then Git, it's also installed. Okay, once you are ready with all these three basic things, then move ahead and sign up for the Anypoint platform with your trial account. So currently this session, the first part, right, I'm going to cover the setup configurations required for the trial account. For the enterprise account, I'm going to cover that in the next session. We just need to, we just have some in between, some other steps, to get it enabled for the licensed account. So go ahead and go to the Anypoint platform and sign up with your credentials. I'll quickly sign up with my credentials. Okay, and username I'll keep it like the same which I copied, and the password as same. All right. Cool. So once the account is created, then go to access management and search for this permission. Go to user. Either you can add the permission directly to the user or create a teams and then add that user to that team and then add the permission to that user. So I'm just going to directly assign that to myself, right? Go to permissions, select this, select next, select the business group, next, add permission. Okay. So this we covered the fifth step, right? And once that is done, then you need to enable the Einstein to get it started for ECB. Okay, so for that, go to the similar step, go to the same page, access management, go to Salesforce, and here just click on the accept message. All right, this is all about the step 6. Once this is done, you need to install the VS Code in your machine, and you can download the latest version from this official website. So this part 1, right, this is basically we are talking about the ECB local version development. If you remember, we have two parts. We have we have that opportunity to develop the integration for ECB in two platforms, the Cloud ID platform and the local one. So Cloud ID is for enterprise one, which I'm going to cover for the next session, and here we are trying to cover for the trial account. So you need to install the VS Code in your local machine, and once it is installed, go to the extension part, extension sections, and search for this particular extension like this and get it installed. Okay, it's already installed for me. So once you install, all the extension packs will auto install for you, right? Once it is installed successfully, restart the VS Code, and then you will see these two options right on your left hand side. The first one is this MuleSoft agent Anypoint code builder, and the second one is MuleSoft Division. Okay, so this is all about the setup and configurations which we needed for the trial account to get started with MuleSoft Division. In the upcoming session, we'll try to see how we can start using this by starting with the basic thing, which is creating the RAML file, which is designing an API. All right.